Welcome to School of Engineering. When you think about engineering, it's not just about machines and codes. It's about engineering for good and innovating for impact. Engineering can make a real difference in people's lives and communities. My name is Malar and I'm a lecturer with SOE in NP. In the rest of the video, I will walk you through what engineers really do, the diplomas we offer, and how NP can be a launchpad for your own engineering journey. People often ask me, so what do you actually do as an engineer? On this slide, you will see all the stereotypes, what friends, parents and relatives imagine engineering looks like. Others may think that we are always studying or always fixing computers. In the next slide, I will show you a clearer picture of what engineers really do and the kind of impact you can make if you choose this path. In simple terms, we invent, build and optimize technology that people and industries rely on every day. This means anything from the smartphones and laptops you are using to ships, aircraft and vehicles to hospital equipment, robots and advanced manufacturing systems. Engineers also work on the Internet of Things, power generation and sustainable solutions that help us use resources more efficiently. In other words, engineering is a whole universe of possibilities. You don't have to figure everything out now. Start with something that you are interested in and the skills you learn will open many doors for you. At NP, our engineering diplomas will help you go far. All engineers need a strong core in engineering competencies and must be prepared to face real-world problems for the community, the environment and the greater good. And because the real world is complex, you will need to handle real challenges with real tools, from hands-on labs to industry projects, so you are prepared for what's out there. At the School of Engineering, you are not locked into a single pathway. You can choose from 8 diplomas plus the Common Engineering program. And within each course, there are multiple pathways. For example, options to focus on specializations, to do a major capstone project or to deepen your learning through a year-long industry immersion pathway, internships or final year industry projects. For those of you aiming for university, we also offer university pathways where you can earn credit from NUS or SUTD while studying at NP, potentially fast-tracking your degree. On top of that, we have introduced cross-disciplinary specializations, so you can graduate with both a strong core and an edge in emerging fields. There are exciting developments in School of Engineering. We have introduced 3 new cross-disciplinary specializations. They are Space Technology, Operational Technology Cybersecurity and AI for Engineers. Stack your diploma with these future-proof tech that everyone is raving about. NgeeAnn is the first poly to offer this specialization, so you will get a head start in this fast-growing field. Space technology focuses on satellites that provide communications, Earth observation and navigations for everyday services like GPS and weather monitoring. Space tech matters because the global space economy is growing rapidly and Singapore is investing in space technologies that support logistics, agriculture, defense and climate resilience. By leveraging on our partnership with NUS, this specialization gives you rare practical space experience at poly level and highly transferable skills for high-tech sectors like semiconductors, AI and advanced manufacturing. Operational technology cybersecurity is about protecting critical infrastructure, things like power plants, water systems, transport and hospitals from cyber attacks. Once again, NgeeAnn is the first poly to offer this specialization, blending engineering and cybersecurity so you can secure the systems that keep Singapore running. This field is a national priority and the skills you learn will match what industry and government agencies are looking for. For example, in roles protecting energy, water, transport and manufacturing systems. Across the School of Engineering, all students will learn AI basics and use AI tools in their modules. The AI for Engineers specialization is for those who want to go deeper, actually building machine learning and deep learning solutions to solve engineering problems, not just using AI as a black box. AI is now part of every major engineering sector, from healthcare, manufacturing, transport to energy, powering things like predictive maintenance and design optimization. In this specialization, you will learn core machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning, then apply them in team projects to build end-to-end solutions from data preparation to model deployment. Whether you are into mechanical, electrical, biomedical, marine, or other fields, you can go deeper in AI and apply it to your sector. Because we want our students to be equipped with skills that are truly applicable in the workplace. We build ties with many industry partners who are willing to invest their resources like knowledge, technology, or equipment into our curriculum and labs. In this way, our students experience cutting-edge engineering during their studies. These partners also offer internships and in some cases scholarships. And did I mention? This list is constantly growing. Speaking about choice, did you know that we have a fast track arrangement with the SUTD? For engineering science and biomedical engineering students, they can apply for the Poly SUTD Scholars Program, which allows selected students from these two diplomas to have a conditional admission offers to SUTD even before graduating from NgeeAnnPoly. These students would have taken some SUTD modules taught by SUTD professors during their time in NP. So, their degree program at SUTD will take only 3 years instead of the usual 4. We also have a fast track arrangement with the NUS College of Design and Engineering. Our students can opt for the NP-NUS pathway, which allows selected students to take NUS courses while studying at NP. This earns them credit exemptions in NUS, fast tracking your degree. Our students learn in facilities that are state of the art. For example, our Robotics Research and Innovation Center that co-created customized robotic solutions with industry partners such as Sing Health. Another partner, Insan Green Tech, has set up their IoT-enabled Smart Energy Management Technology Center at NP. So, what are the 8 diplomas that we offer? First up, the Diploma in Engineering Science. This course prepares you for enrollment into a STEM degree program, and 80% of our graduates have done so. Here, you will acquire a strong foundation in STEM and you can choose from 4 emerging tech specializations: AI for autonomous systems, data analytics and security, operational technology, cybersecurity, or space technology. You will experience university immersion through applied R&D and industry projects. And we will guide you to build your unique portfolio to clinch prestigious scholarships. As mentioned, you can apply for the university pathway programs or opt for a 1-year deep dive through the industry immersion pathway. Next, the Diploma in Biomedical Engineering. It is Singapore's first diploma that trains clinical engineering professionals. What do clinical engineers do? They make use of medtech to ensure that doctors can deliver quality healthcare with the help of innovation and tech. Students get to choose from the 3 cross-disciplinary specializations and various elective modules. They can also apply for the NUS or SUTD pathways or opt for the industry immersion pathway. Next up, our sustainability focused diploma in electrical engineering. Think Singapore Green Plan 2030, think solar panels, think EV charging stations. You have the option to choose from 5 specializations. Go on the NP-NUS pathway or even pursue a second major in business. Now, let's look at the Diploma in Electronic and Computer Engineering. This diploma is different from electrical engineering because it is focused on smart electronic devices such as your mobile phones and laptops and all the technologies that enable your devices to be smart and to communicate with each other. This is also closely tied to AI. This course offers 4 exciting specializations, including the newly introduced space technology. Similarly, students may also pursue a second major in business or the NP-NUS pathway. Next, the Mechatronics and Robotics Diploma is one of that combines mechanics, electronics and programming to build autonomous vehicles and collaborative robots that are designed to work alongside human beings. Did you know that Movita, a startup specializing in autonomous vehicle solutions, is located within NP and using our campus roads to conduct autonomous shuttle bus trials? This diploma also offers 4 specializations, second major in business and the NP-NUS pathway. The Mechanical Engineering Diploma prepares you for the future economy, particularly in areas like precision engineering and public transportation. You have the choice to specialize in one of the 2 mechanical engineering areas, namely automation design or mobility design. In automation design, you will acquire skills in the technology behind advanced automated production lines. And in mobility design, you will learn about mobility tech. Alternatively, you can also choose from one of the 3 cross-disciplinary specializations that we have mentioned before. Next, the Diploma in Aerospace Engineering. This course offers 2 specializations, avionics or mechanical. So, what is the difference? Let me explain using the examples of the EV Tesla. The Tesla, you have the car chassis, its aerodynamic curves, steering and suspension systems. That's the mechanical part of it. If you think about Tesla's autopilot 15-inch touchscreen, over-the-air enabled software updates, that's similar to the avionics part of aircraft. You will be happy to know that NP-NUS pathway is also offered to aerospace engineering students. NgeeAnnPoly is the lead in the skills future marine and offshore sector and has strong industry ties with partners such as Satrium. Our diploma in offshore and sustainable engineering covers naval architecture and marine engineering with a focus on sustainability, decarbonization and renewable energy. Other features of this diploma include the chance to apply for the prestigious Maritime One Scholarship and having advanced standing for the Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering degree with SIT Newcastle University. Now that you have seen all we have to offer, you might find it slightly challenging to make the right choice for yourself. Well, Common Engineering Program or CEP for short is here to help you. CEP gives you exposure to the different engineering diplomas and industries so that at the end of your first semester of study, you will be ready to choose the diploma that best suits you. You will then enroll into that diploma in the second semester. Now, you must be wondering, is learning in NgeeAnn School of Engineering just about going for classes and passing exams? Well, my answer is of course not. For one, you get to apply your knowledge and skills learned in class to real-world industry projects. Here are some of our students and their winning projects at various showcases and competitions like the WorldSkill ASEAN competition. Students also go overseas on various programs such as overseas immersion programs in Vietnam and China and on a youth expedition project in the Philippines. And what can you look forward to after graduating from NgeeAnn School of Engineering? Life after Polytechnic is far from dull. For those of you exploring further studies, options include universities that may grant you module exemptions or advanced standing or advance your skills and pursue specialist diplomas through Skill Future Work Study program. At the end of the day, we put students at the heart of what we do so that they can chart their career blueprints and find meaning and satisfaction in what they do. Thank you for watching this video and we hope you will join us in engineering a better world. Do follow us on our socials and we hope to see you around NP campus.